Hello everyone, we are from Kalsee. Today our crew are cleaning the food trails around our eco-lodge. This is the cleaning is we have three more important reasons why we are cleaning here. First of all, to keep the trail clean. The second important reason is to protect the forest to get fire. In recent days we have a lot of news about forest got fire all over Nepal. So once we do this kind of cleaning, then we can protect. It works as a border for the two parts of the forest, okay? And from this way, at least we can save the one side of the forest, because if we got the fire in one side, it cannot go further to the other side, so we are cleaning this foot trail around our eco-lodge. It is nearly 5 kilometers we are cleaning today. And the third reason is to, we have a lot of leeches and bloodshocker in this trail. In the summertime after rain, we get a lot of leeches and bloodshocker in the trail. So once we clean this time, then bloodsucker go away, and we expect we will have very less leeches in the monsoon time, and this is the very right time to clean the trail, because we have very dry week. Since last couple of days we have no rain, and all the leaves are very dry and easy to clean, and also most of the leaves are dropped down, and this is almost last time from the tree to drop the leaves. And also there are new leaves are coming up because most of the leaves are fall down. Yeah, this is the cleaning we are doing to protect our environment, and as well as our nature around our eco-lodge. Help me down. Okay, now I'm cleaning too, yeah. Like this. You see? This is. Yeah. Cuckoo, come here. Yeah. So we are cleaning like this way, all the way from Lake to eco-lodge, and then further to Tanchowk temple. It is nearly 5 kilometers distance. We are cleaning here. See? And my dog Goku also joining here. You see? This dog also following. Yeah. If you want like our video, you can subscribe our channel at Kalsee for the new videos and other nature-based issues. Thank you. Okay.